Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and click on Vibration and Haptics. Now you need to decide if you wish to use vibration and haptics by clicking on this switcher next to them. After switching them on, you can also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to manage haptic feedback for them, like incoming calls, notifications, alarms, touches, and media. When you then go back, scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!